Good morning, guys, or at least for me, it's 6:05 a.m. and you know what that means. Another day, another order. Today I'm packaging so many items. Today I have a busy day. I even door dashed some coffee because it's 6 in the morning and I haven't slept. I've been up all night making orders on the PC, printing out orders. Let me show you. This is half of the orders. All of those are jewelry. Those are bigger items, and some of those are actually candy as well. So I need to do all of that, and now let's print these labels. As you guys know, I print with Pirate Ship. If you guys wanted to know, Ship, it's the best, or at least for me, I like it. It's easy, it's affordable, it gives you the best price out there. Link in the description. Bam, and now we get working. I'm gonna print all of those out, and you guys are gonna see a little fast forward moment of me packaging all of these items. The beginning, this is half of jewelry, and it's a lot. Let's get started. after an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, all of these packages now have their shipping labels. The candies that I'm actually sending out, all of these have their shipping labels, which some of them were really confusing because some of them are international, like a good amount, like Germany, Europe, etc., France. So that took me a minute, but now they're all packaged. Gotta package all of them up in little baggies, and maybe take another shower if they're a little bit sweaty. Maybe go to my supplier, and then go to the post office. Kind of fun. So I just made it to the post office. I have literal bags just full of packages. We're gonna drop them off here, and I'm gonna show you guys that how I deliver them. Let's go. Just like that, those packages are now shipped. I am so tired. I haven't slept all night. I slept like an hour and something, barely 2 hours if I was lucky. And now we start over again. This is the life of a business owner. Because now I finished those, which if you guys heard from the beginning, that was half of the half. But tonight's gonna be a rough night because today, you saw that stack that I showed you earlier? That was nothing because look at this thickie. This is jewelry that I need to do tonight. I slept an hour, almost 2 hours. Tonight, I'm not sleeping at all. It's gonna be rough. But you know what? This is the life of a business person. I love doing it. I wouldn't have it any other way. And not just that, but this little small stack for my candy store, which, if you guys don't know, all of it's gonna be linked in the description. You guys can use on my jewelry code Carrington for 15% off your order. You're welcome. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna call it a day for YouTube. I'm gonna start making another video behind the scenes. If you guys want to see anything else in particular, comment down below. If you guys have any questions, I love answering them. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means the absolute world. Subscribe if you guys find this entertaining or want to see more. Like this video if you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.